Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Char. Anyway, I just came on here because I have something very interesting to share with you all, and it is how to order from Farfetch. I just wanted to document this journey just in case some of you have questions on like how to order through Farfetch. And the item that I'm going to be ordering is a luxury piece. It's a card holder from YSL, and let's see if I'm going to be paying taxes when it comes here. I'm not really sure, but I will also try to insert a clip of or screen record of how I ordered it and things like that. So I'm just gonna document this journey and will let you know as I go along. So right now, I'm just gonna show you how I ordered it, and we'll just wait and see. So later's. So I just got an email that says it has been shipped. So I'm going to track it. Hi, so it finally arrived today, and here. But I'm gonna insert a clip of the unboxing that I did. So this is my previous card holder, and to be honest, I love this more than this. Not because this is new, but because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots for card here, and I have 4 credit cards. So the question is, did I pay taxes, Philippine taxes? The answer is no, because this retailed for $211, but I looked up some codes online and there's 10% one, which then fell into the category where you don't have to pay taxes, because lumabas siya na I think it's around 9.5 na lang. The customs tax excludes shipping fee, but in total I paid 212 with the shipping fee. It's still above 200. I mean, it's still above 10,000, but since they're only gonna look at the price of the item, it's still okay. So there, I did not pay taxes, and I really made sure to call DHL as well to clarify if before I ordered, if I'm, you know, like if I have to pay taxes. But anyway, yeah, I did not pay taxes. And what else? Shipping was so fast. 3 days, 4 days. Super, it came super early than expected. They said it's estimated to be delivered by August 2, but it's here. It arrived 27th, if I'm not mistaken. What else? I think that's it. Yeah, just fill out all the necessary details on the Farfetch site and you're good to go. Just don't go above 10,000. That's the secret. It's not much of a secret, but that's a surefire way to go na you won't have to pay taxes. So yeah, I hope this is so helpful, or I hope this has been helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And if you have enjoyed this kind of content, you know what to do. Bye.